Dark chocolate. It is made with a high percentage of cocoa solid and cocoa butter, with little or no added milk. The flavor is deep, bold, and slightly bitter, shaped by how cocoa beans are fermented, dried, and roasted. Depending on where the beans come from, it can carry subtle notes of fruit, wood, or spices. Historically, early civilization in Central America consumed chocolate in liquid form, often mixed with spices rather than sugar. Today, dark chocolate is valued for its intense cocoa profile and lower sugar content compared to other varieties. White chocolate. It is made from cocoa butter, sugar, and milk solid, but it does not contain cocoa solids. This is what gives it its pale color and its sweet, buttery flavor. Instead of cocoa bitterness, it carries vanilla-like and creamy notes. Ruby chocolate. It is made from specially selected cocoa beans that naturally produce a pinkish red color through a unique processing method. No artificial coloring is added. Its flavor is lightly fruity with a mild tang, often compared to berries with a soft acid edge. It was introduced to the market only recently after years of research into unlocking new natural chocolate profile. It represents a modern evolution in chocolate variety. Semisweet chocolate. It contains a balanced ratio of cocoa solid and sugar, giving it a moderate sweetness with a noticeable cocoa depth. It is widely used in baking, especially in cookies and brownies, because it maintains structure when heated. Its flavor is strong enough to be distinct but still approachable, making it a reliable all-purpose baking chocolate. Bitterness chocolate. It has a higher cocoa content than semi-sweet chocolate and less sugar, resulting in more intense and complex flavor. It is often used in rich desserts like mousses and layered cakes. When melted, it provides depth without overwhelming sweetness, which is why professional bakers often prefer it for balancing dessert profile. Compound chocolate. It is made using vegetable fats instead of cocoa butter, which makes it easier to handle and more stable at room temperature. It does not require tempering, which simplifies productions and reduces cost. Because of this, it is widely used in mass-produced sweets and coating. While it lacks the complexity of real chocolate, its practically make it important in large-scale food manufacturing. Unsweetened baking chocolate. It is pure chocolate liquor solidified into a bar with no added sugar. The taste is extremely bitter and intense, so it is never eaten on its own. Instead, it is used in baking, where sweetness is controlled separately. It gives chefs full flexibility in blanching recipes and is a core ingredient in many traditional chocolate desserts. Blonde chocolate. It is created by slowly heating white chocolate until it caramelizes into a golden color. This process develops deep notes of caramel, biscuit, and toffee. It is a relatively new innovation in the chocolate world and has quickly found its place in premium desserts. Flavor sits between white chocolate and caramelized sugar, offering a warm, roasted sweetness. Couverture chocolate. It is a professional-grade chocolate with a higher cocoa butter content designed for coating and molding. This allows it to melt smoothly and be tempered into a glossy, firm finish. When properly handled, it produces a clean snap and a shiny surfaces. It is commonly used in truffle, bonbons, and high-end confectionery, where texture and appearance matter as much as flavor.